windy. I didn't think I'd see anyone, but I've just walked past two people walking. Oh, there's a tree. That shelters it a bit. Bit of shelter. I've just walked past two walkers, so I'm not the only nutter out today. Woo! Crazy weather. This is what happens when I have a week off. It's half term, so the weather turned. My fault, sorry. Oh, sheep, they need a bath. It's so windy. The rain stings your face. I get bored of going to my local dog park all the time. I've already been over there today twice. So I thought I'd come up the downs. You can't even see much in the distance. It's so foggy. We're in the clouds. So how's everyone's Tuesday going then? This is how mine's going. Got embarrassed. There's a whole load of walkers coming up behind me as I was just trying to take a video. See if I can get them. We're just about to walk past there. Woo. This is wild. I hope they're not going to come up this way actually. Yeah, they are. Nothing to see here. Ah! They're walking behind me. Run! Zero views. It's so misty. That's Storrington. You can't see it. Woo! That's normally such a good view. Mist. I know what you want. Da 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 da. Ready? Go! kite then. Woo. Let's get out the wind a little bit. That's scary. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, okay. It's no better down here. There's no getting away from it. This is a really good coat, but it flaps out like a kite when it's windy. It's really heavy. Oh, pushes me forwards. Ah, that's better. Bit of a break from the wind in the valley. Where is it? Dotty doo! Come on then. Get the ball, buddy. Get the ball. Whoa. Good boy. Here then. Woo. I actually just fell over. I fell over! Oh my god. Nobody saw. There's no one around. Oh, just went down on me ass. You can actually see where the clouds are coming across. Can you see the cloud moving? Up in the clouds. Safer in there. Oh, it's so windy. Ooh. Ooh. This is tough now. Ooh. Last bit of the car is the worst bit. Ooh. Oh, stinks your face. Stop straight in the car. Oh, that's the first time. Oh, oh my god. That's the first time. Look at the state of me. That's the first time Dottie's ever jumped straight in the car without having to be asked twice. She always faffs about getting in the car. You have to ask her 3 or 4 times to get in the car normally. She just hopped straight in, mate. Okay, I'll get in the car. Whoa! Let's take this off. It's gonna make my seat wet. Wowzers! To be honest, I did think to myself on the way up, if it's too bad, I'd just go to where I normally walk. But I enjoyed it. I enjoy it when it's like this. Those walkers I walked past, we all laughed at each other and he said that we are all mental. And I said, yep, we must all be mad. And it's more fun when it's like this. It makes it more interesting. So there we go. Crazy, but fun. But I want to do it. I wouldn't want to do it like that every day. But every now and then it is fun. Ooh. Right, that's the doggies done. I've been to the garden centre with Mum today. Muffin's had a nice haircut. We had a nice lunch in the garden centre while she was being groomed. And now it's home dinner, bath, bed, basically. Oh, that was fun. Happy, rainy, windy day to you. Woo! I was just thinking about it. I don't actually know how much of me out in that wind you're going to have been able to hear. So if you can't hear me in those videos, I do apologise. Falling on your face. Yeah, I don't know how much of me being out there you would have heard, because that wind would have been in the speaker, just thinking about it. So I'm going to go home and have a look and see how much I picked up. But you probably only got the odd word here and there, and other than that it's probably really loud wind. But I'll upload it anyway and we'll see what it sounds like. That rain sting in the face was something else as well. It's all well and good going out in the wind and the rain to have some fun, but it doesn't half sting your face. Right, I've just pulled up at home. I am going to end this vlog here. That drive home, whoo, there's big old branches in the road. There's some workmen up round the corner from where I live. They've dug out, I think they're digging out a wall or a bank or something, and there's a big, massive hole on the left-hand side. All of the fencing that they've put round it has fallen over. So if you walk up there now, there's just a massive, like, I don't know how deep it is. The hole looks really deep. It's a few foot deep hole, because all of the plastic fencing thing that they've put round it's come down. But there's big old branches on the floor. Oh, I nearly killed a bloody moorhen. Nearly killed a moorhen. Luckily I spotted it. It was on the left hand side of me and I drove past it, keeping an eye on it, and just as I got to it, it decided to run out in front of me. I had to slam my brakes on. Just missed it. Just missed it. Lucky moorhen. It lives to see another day. It's lucky I spotted it, because if I didn't see it, then it would have gone under my blimmin' car. Animals and birds. Right, I am going to end this vlog here, but I have had a couple of messages from friends saying that they have been watching my videos, and I just want to quickly say, if you are taking the time out of your day to watch my videos, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me, and thank you if you have messaged me. It means a lot. Even if I am driving your dogs mad with Luke and those squeaky ball toys that he was playing with the other day. So if that set your dogs off, sorry about that. You can blame Luke. But yeah, if you're watching my videos, thank you very much. It means a lot to me. I just decided when I was 40 to start vlogging my life, and I'm just going to see what happens, and I'm doing it for fun. But if people watch, then obviously that makes it a lot better for me and a lot more fun for me, because it's not just going to be me and my mum that watch them. And I did ask my mum earlier actually if she watched my videos, and she said yes. She sits and watches them with Muffin, her dog, and apparently Muffin sits there going doing the old head tilt, because she knows it's me, and I think that's really cute. So thank you to everybody that's watching. I really appreciate it. I'm going to take these wet dogs in now, and we're all going to go and get dried off and have some dinner. So have a good evening, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Is it Tuesday? Yes. Happy Tuesday. And I will speak to you very soon. Love you all. Bye.